Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how to add fade out animation in Wix Studio. So first start by logging into your Wix Studio account. Then you'll select the site you want to work on by going to the sites on the left hand menu bar. Now make sure your site has written built on Wix Studio on it, or if it's not written you can always create a new site. You can start with a blank canvas or select a template. We'll just select a template. There are variety of templates to choose from. We'll click on edit. Now we'll wait for our template to load. So this is our template. We'll take a look at it. Now let's just say we want this text to fade out. So we'll click on it and select it. So after selecting this, we have this option called design and animations and effects. So we'll click on animations and effect. Now we can fade it by going to the entrance element. We'll click on add and just select fade. Now this is how it will appear. Now we can adjust this fade. We'll get more detailed settings that we can do by going to the hover section and clicking on add. Now we'll select the fade from here, and this way we'll click on adjust animation and we can edit the fade. Now let's select fade out as we want to fade it out. Now this is the duration of how long we want this fade out to occur. I'll keep it 2 seconds, and after how long I want the fade, like the text to fade out. So let's keep this delay 0.4 seconds. Now this is the easing. We have 4 options over here: ease in and out, ease in, ease out, and linear. Now after selecting that, we'll click on preview, and this is how the text will fade out. So this is quite it. That's how you add smooth fade out effects in Wix Studio. Now these subtle animations can really enhance your site's user experience and make it feel more dynamic and professional. So thanks for watching.